I am Sagar Porwal. I have done digital marketing course from Rankiverse Institute, and now I am going to pursue MBA from IBS Business School, Pune. I get to know about Rankiverse from my friend. He suggested me for Rankiverse Institute. This institute provides us very good knowledge, and here faculty is very much well known and knowledgeable. They provide us very good education about digital marketing institute course, and they provide us simple and better learning techniques so that we can understand the digital marketing course in a better way. They give us trainings and internship on other fields, and they provide us very good informations about other facilities too. इससे हम लोग काफ़ी सारी और भी चीज़ें जान जाते हैं. डिजिटल मार्केटिंग सिर्फ हमारे लिए सिर्फ एक कोर्स नहीं है. एक फेमस पर्सनालिटी ने कहा है, इफ़ योर बिजनेस इज़ नॉट ऑन द इंटरनेट देन योर बिजनेस इज़ out of the business. This is said by Bill Gates.